So in Belgium, we didn't have any monitoring. We just waited for the VAT return to come in, and then later on we tried to audit it. But in 2010, our government decided to lower the VAT rate on restaurant and catering services. And they introduced at the same time the mandatory use of a POS system. It was a POS connected to a smart device, receiving all the input that was done in the POS, and securing it by a digital signature. Data was only available in the premises of the restaurant. We had to copy, we had to analyze, and in most cases, nothing was wrong. It was really spending time which is not necessary. So we decided to do it the smart way, using IT devices to collect the data in almost real time so that we can use it for selection purposes as well. So the purpose is really to only select those people who are abusing the system, using functionalities or not using it at all. So only those people will be selected for audit. But the issue of availability, security rose up, and especially the availability that we had to guarantee as a federal office is quite difficult.
One of the key factors for choosing AWS and the cloud solution was because for our registered POS systems, we wanted to use a serverless environment. And it implemented that we could scale, be available, and store large data at the same time.
The scalability is huge because we are starting with a rather small target group, which will eventually grow up.
We estimate around 36,000 businesses that will use this system, and it will by 2028 go up to around 80,000. We estimate a revenue of 50 billion euros will be sent to our servers.
We cannot underestimate the impact on the daily operations. The better selection of the taxpayers to be audited will lead to more productive audits. Since we are data monitoring the data that's coming in, we will have ad hoc reactions to fraudulence or potential fraudulent behavior of the taxpayer in the use of this POS system. We are going to introduce algorithms, even introducing artificial intelligence, to almost predict who is going to have a fraudulent behavior.
After the initial proof of concept, we didn't really change that much because of the AWS team that really understood our project, and they guided us through the architecture. The cloud made it way easier than before because we don't have to stand in for all those maintenance things. AWS provides that, and we can just use their systems.
We had a lot of discussions before and interaction with the hospitality federations explaining why we were going into the cloud. And they are quite happy with it, especially since we see more and more POS systems are completely cloud-based, and that's the future people want to use.